And thank you once again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. Here at National Gear Repair, we are Krauss Maffei Gearbox specialists, especially when it comes to single and dual extruders. As you can clearly see here, this is 3 of our smaller Krauss Maffeis that we did a full rebuild on, manufactured some new helical gearing, and replaced all, obviously, thrust bearings, tandem bearings. One of our larger KMD 125s we're doing a rebuild on. You follow me here. Also one of our large Hanson P4s. Get ready to reset some of the gearing backlash to get a little better gear tube contact. This will help eliminate a lot of the noise that they're receiving up there. Follow me for a quick second. This is one of our other overflow locations. This location here at National Gear Repair will be having several different lathes and a couple of gear grinders later on this year. But as you can clearly see, it's one of our other KMD 125 dual extruders, one of our larger German boxes for our forging industry. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.